Hi, I'm Juri. Nice to meet you again. I can't speak very well today because I lost my tooth yesterday. It hurted a little bit, but I didn't cry. Today we will go to USA and we will make a hamburger. I never made hamburger before, but I went to Hawaii. But I didn't eat hamburger in Hawaii. Let's find USA. I found it. I will show you the picture of the USA. This is the United States of America's flag. It has 50 stars and 7 red stripes, and white stripes are one. When you say United States of America or USA, I think of the Statue of Liberty. This is the White House. The President of the United States lives in this White House. I think this room, inside the room, is crazy. And it is a very big house. Yes, sir. The capital is Washington, D.C. United States peoples use English. Many different kinds of people live in USA. Now let's make a hamburger. We need these ingredients to make hamburger. This is dairy burger sauce. I like this sauce because I like dairy burger, because I like my daddy. Burger bread and radish and spring onion and cheese and butter and bacon and beef and pork. We need all these ingredients to make hamburger. Let's make it now. Ooh, cold. Ooh, cold. Mom, help me. My mom and dad did the cutting for me. Now I'll make it. First, make it into a boulder. Round and round and round. And squash it into a flat. This is it. We made it. Squish, 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 squish. I'll make it bigger. Let's make a hamburger. First, put the bread on the bottom, and I will put the tomato. First, then cheese, and cheese. Put cheese, and with my own hand, put this. And here, I will put onion. You know, I told you on the other video I don't like onions. Then, meat. Oh no. And now put sauce. on the meat. And I'll put bacon next. 2 bacons. No, I mean mayonnaise. And I'll just put a little bit. Then ketchup. Ew. Did I did all? Splat. Squish. Hamburger one. Wonderful. I'll eat it with my milk. Lift up my hand. I can't bite the meat. And I can be eat very well because of my fallen tooth. It's a little bit yummy. Actually, it's very yummy. I like it because I make it. See you next time. Bye bye. See you later.